Hey everyone, Mark Newstater with eXp Realty and the Atkinson team. All right, I have just gone through the March 2025 real estate stats from the Calgary Real Estate Board. And if you've been thinking about selling, there's some stuff that you'll want to hear. Let's break it down in real human terms, not economist speak, please, right? All right, so first off, we're going to talk about detached homes and our balancing market. So we're going to start with detached homes because that's where a lot of you are right now. Now, sales were down this March, 1,035 detached homes sold, which is a 10% drop from last year. But there was a bump in new listings, which means inventory is finally improving a bit. We have just over 2 months of supply, a big change from the less than 1 month of panic buying last spring. So what does this mean for you? If your home is priced under $700K, demand is still very strong. There's less than 2 months of supply at that price point. But if your home is worth $800,000 and up, we're seeing more of a shift toward balanced conditions. Not quite as crazy, but still healthy. And pricing, the detached benchmark is now $769,800. That's up 4% from last year, with the biggest gains coming in city center. Now, prices are up, but growth is slowing. I'll try and explain that to you next. Across all property types, prices are still climbing, but not as fast as last year. Overall, the benchmark price for Calgary was $691,900. That's up 5% from March of last year, and now it's above the previous peak we saw last July. For row townhomes, benchmark price up 2% year over year to $454, but down a bit from last summer's high. For apartments, $336,100, up nearly 3% from last year, but still under the August 2024 peak. What's the real takeaway? Prices are still very strong, especially compared to a year ago, but if you wait too long, you might miss the top of this wave. Growth is cooling a bit as inventory builds and the market balances out. So now, here in our final section, what do you do if you are thinking of selling? So here is the deal. If your home is under $700K, it is still a strong seller's market. If you're over $800K, it's becoming more balanced, but serious buyers are still out there. If you're looking to downsize, condo and row home supply is up and prices are still reasonable, which gives you more options on the buying side. So we just worked with a family in Auburn Bay. We helped them sell their $1 million plus home close to the lake in just one day, and they kind of right-sized into another property. And that happened all in the space of a few days. So they're super happy with what happened. So this market is giving you the rare combo of great selling prices, more selection for your next place. So if you have questions about any of this, please DM me. We'd love to help. Thanks.